Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Katie, and today I am filming my third update for my 2020 Rolling Project 10 pan. So if you are interested in my update, just keep on watching. Okay guys, I have some really exciting progress to share with you, so let's just get started. The first product I was working on is my Wet n Wild contour shade, and mine's in the shade Dolce de Leche. I wanted to use this 20 times and I only used it 16. I just find that I contour less in the summer. I debated rolling it out and maybe rolling it back in, but I'm so close to hitting my goal, I decided just to keep it in. So this is what it looks like, and my goal is to hit side pan right here. So I'm still making good progress, and I am wearing this today. I really love this product. So I am going to keep this in, and next time I think I'm going to change my goal a little bit, and I just want to use it at least 10 times before my next update. The next product is one that I'm really struggling to see any progress on, and it is my Becca bronzer in Bali Sands, and I wanted to use it 20 times, and I did use it 25 times. And it's still, my goal is to hit pan on this, and yeah, still nothing. I mean, I'm still using it obviously, but this is taking forever. But I'm gonna stick with it. Maybe by the end of the year I can hit pan. So next time I want to use that one 20 times again. And I did do a little number calculating, and I have used that bronzer 68 times since I started tracking. So I have used it a ton, and yeah, no pan, no progress really, no visual progress. So yeah, it's just crazy how long it takes to hit pan on that bronzer, for me at least. I'm pretty light-handed, but the next product is one I am rolling out, and it was my ColourPop concealer. I wanted to use it 20 times, and I did. I wanted to finish this. There's still some product left. Very little though, even though it looks like there's still a lot left. There's really not a lot left. This wouldn't take that much longer to finish it, I don't think, but I am rolling it out for now because it's too light for me in the summer. But I'll probably roll this back in like the fall or the winter. But I am rolling that one out for now. The next product I had was my Marc Jacobs highliner. And I wanted to use this one 12 times, and I used it 15 times. This is one too that you can't see progress on, because once you roll it up, you can't. Well, that's not true. You can roll it back down. I'll have to mark this, I guess, when I'm done filming. Let's try to roll it up and see how much I have left. And a little bit. Okay, it is gonna roll down, I guess. Oh my gosh, okay, I don't have that much left. This is all I have left. So maybe I will be able to finish this by the end of this year. Takes definitely a long time to finish an eyeliner, but wow, that's really cool. I did not think I was that close, because I didn't think I could check. But there is my update on that one, and next time I want to use that 12 times as well. The next product I have is my lip liner from Clinique in Bamboo, and I wanted to use it 15 times, and I used it 18 times. It just looks like this. There is, I'm to the point where you can see my progress. So I have from there up left, and I did mark this on a paper. It is right here. So you can see my first update, second update, and third update. This time I did use more, so that's exciting. There's still quite a lot of product left, and it takes a really long time for me to finish a lip liner, but I'm still pretty happy with my progress. Next time I want to use that 15 times again. The next update is really exciting. It's my Clinique lipstick in Sugar Plum Pop. And I've had this in since the beginning, and I wanted to use it 25 times. I actually only used it 22 times, but that's because there is none left. I really enjoyed using this. I'm glad I put this in the project. And I'm really excited I used up a lipstick. This is probably the first lipstick I've used up since I started project panning. I'm pretty sure. It was only a mini, but lipsticks are really, really hard to use up, so I'm really excited about that. So I will be rolling another product in its place. The next product I have is my lip gloss in Love Child from MAC. I wanted to use this 15 times and I used it 16. And this is still not done. You get so much product in this little lip gloss. It's just a sample size. But I really do like it, so I'm gonna keep finishing it. It's hard to tell exactly where I am. I'm not certain that I'll take the stopper out because I think this will get really, really messy if I take the stopper out. But I'm gonna continue using this. Next time I want to use that 10 times. I haven't been using it as much lately because I did get a set of the Fenty mini lip glosses that I've been really enjoying, but I still want to hopefully finish that this year. The next product I have is my perfume from Vera Wang, and I wanted to use that 25 times and I used it 31. And this is in the scent Green Tea and Pear Blossom. And I do have it marked on the side. You can see the intro, first update, second, and third. And I did make a lot of progress on this. So that's exciting. And I do think I will be able to finish this year. There's not a ton left. There's still a good amount, but I have really been enjoying using this. The next product I have, I forgot to bring with me, but it is my Morphe setting spray, and I used that 20 times. I'm actually pretty shocked that I haven't finished it yet, but there's actually a lot more product in it than I originally thought. I thought it was feeling pretty empty, but I guess not, so I'm going to keep using that. I said I'm just going to use it 10 times. Because I don't know, I just feel like I'm gonna run out of it, but I am going to just keep using it till it's done. So yeah, that's gonna stay in the product. And then the next product I have is a ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Frog, and I wanted to hit pan on it. And it only took me 6 times to hit pan, so I was pretty close to my estimate. I said I wanted to use it 7 times, and I did use it 7 times, but it only took 6 times to hit pan. But I did really enjoy using this, so I'm glad I put this in. But I will be rolling something in its place. And then the last item I have to roll in is my highlight from Anastasia, and the shade I picked was Glow Getter. It's in a palette, so the shade is Glow Getter, which is right here. I wanted to use that 15 times, and I did. There is some usage on it, but my goal is to hit pan. It's going to take a long time to hit pan. I have enjoyed using this, but I am getting a little bit sick of it because it is a pretty glittery highlight. But I really like using it as a brow bone highlight too, but I am keeping that in because I would still like to maybe try to hit pan on this before the end of the year. That might be kind of tough, but we'll see. And next time I want to use that 15 times as well. And then let's go into the products that I am rolling in. The first product I'm rolling in is another mini lipstick because I really want to work on some lip products. And this has been in project pans before. It's the Bite Beauty Lipstick in Honeycomb. This is what it looks like here. There's not like a ton left, but like a good amount left. But yeah, lipsticks are just really hard for me. But yeah, I would love to try to finish this before the end of the year and have 2 lipsticks out of my collection. That would be really cool. So I want to try to use that 10 times before my next update. The next product I'm rolling in is a mini primer. And it is this No Pore Blum Priming Water from Touch in Sol. It just looks like this. It's really small. It's a good primer for me in the summer months. So I've been enjoying using this. And I just like to get some of these little mini primers out of my collection. So I want to use that one 10 times before the next update. And the last product I am rolling in is a body spray from Bath & Body Works. It's called At the Beach. And I don't have that much left. It has been in previous projects where I tried to finish it. You can see I have these lines. And I did make like a lot of progress when I was using them in project pans. So I drew a line right here. And I would like to finish this hopefully this summer. So that is all I have for you today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like project pan videos and other videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.